Awesome. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
We have to get over there, Dana.
Okay. Nope, right here is good. Right here. We have to wait. Connor has the lighter.
Yeah,
Oh,
here.
it's going down.
You want to help
Here you
too,
go.
Olivia?
This is for me and Avery are doing it.
No.
It's for Grandma Mangler.
Olivia didn't get to help yet. Let Olivia try.
It's for Grandma Mangler Champion.
Okay.
Well, Grandpa Tom. Olivia can help.
Okay.
Why does these all have to be spiritual?
I'm not sure. I don't know where that came from.
Yeah, exactly.
Because we
Are
just
they
used to
supposed
just
to
do them for
ascend
fun.
into heaven or
When
something?
Olivia gets blown with smoke.
We used to do them just for fun.
Oh,
Yeah,
well.
exactly. Everything's all religious.
Not my fault.
It's going to be a while, girls. You're just going to have to hold that. That's going to be a little while. That one's taking a while.
Right.
Holy Toledos!
That's seizure part.
Holy shit. Ah. That is a seizure. Ah. Seizure intensifies. Ah.
Don't forget the box is on fire. Fire!
Feels nice on my feet.
Nice and warm.
Just leave it.
Mom, his arms smell like mom spaghetti.
What if this starts burning my way?
Let go again.
Looks like a hot air balloon.
No.
Let go, girls.
Ooh,
Oh, no,
it's still staying down
It's
here.
not ready. It's not ready.
Don't do that. It's gonna get burned, and then there's gonna be a big hole in it. I know who else has a big hole. My mom. Alright. I just had to do it.
I'm gonna get these big balls
Nope,
away
nope,
from
nope,
the
nope.
fire.
Let it go. Just let it go. It will fly.
Kinda.
It will fly.
I was just
Just
going to say, it looks
push
like
it.
it was going to go there, Kim.
Good job, Aunt Kim.
It's gonna hit the tree.
Up in the tree.
It's gonna hit the tree.
Yeah.
The whole tree just catches on fire.
Maybe it's just gonna keep going up.
No,
it's gonna hit
it
the
won't.
tree.
It's going to make it.
It's gonna. Hey,
It
Grandma,
won't.
you mind? It's gonna make it.
No, wait.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. No.
Connor!
Grandma's tree.
My grandma's tree. My grandma's dead tree now.
Dude, you're gonna want to get a hose.
I wanted to get up there and get.
I would get a hose if I were you. We have not been successful with these things at all. Dude, I seriously think Grandma's tree's on fire. I'm not even, like, joking with you.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, Grandma's tree.
It's on fire. Get the hose. Connor, we have to get the hose.
No. Dude, it's fine. It's just gonna burn the tree down to the ground.
Alright, let's do another one. We got to get down.
Let's do another one. This one's like still going in the tree. Come on, we have a very tight schedule here. Who cares if the house is gonna burn down?
Oh, the tree's on fire. It really is.
That's the wax part still burning.
Ah, these freaking
That
bugs.
tree is too green. Oops, this one doesn't have a wax thing on it. All right.
Well, that was disappointing.
It's fine.
These all the-
Another tree.
That pine tree, we're just gonna call it no.
Nah, it's good.
It looks like
Now,
it's gonna hit
it might be too humid too. Sometimes the moisture in the air conditions. There it goes.
Hopefully it's not going to hit that tall tree.
What if it does hit that tall tree? Oh, it didn't. It looks like it.
They're actually illegal in Illinois now because they're a fire
Yeah.
hazard.
Yeah, I could see why.
We light off the big tube ones all the time.
Yeah, Grandma, gosh, we know what we're doing. We're professionals. Come on, Grant, do it. Light this puppy up. Yeah. Holy Toledo's that, man. This one's a freaking star. Yeah. Holy snap. Boom. Oh. Oh shit. That was cool.
Back.
It's good. We got this. We are fireworks professionals. Oh shit. Is this a duck? Oh no, it's not. Oh, that was pretty intense. Is there another?
No.
Hey, Grant, you just blow up. Oh god.
Get that, Connor. This one's kind of
Shit. Whoa. Holy schnauzers. Whee!
Wow, something like on my foot.
Holy tit dicklets. Holy dicklets. Wow.
Alright, hey, get a flashlight.
Where do I light it?
That fuse. Right at the top of it.
Right here?
Yeah, right at the top of the fuse. Let me see that. Let me see that.
Get back, this one's gonna be big. I think. I don't know. Shoo! Ooh. Man. I'm gonna attach this to my dick and run around going, yeah! Oh, no. Oh, I farted also. Cherry bomb, I think. I don't know. Whoa! Oh shit. What if this fucking fly? Oh shit, so it's kind of like a mortar. Damn. Let's do it, dog.
Let's do this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lighting fireworks with my cousins.
Wait,
Yeah.
hot. That has to be hot. Here comes a happy 36.
I dare you to hold this one in your hands. Why? Do it for the vine, dog. Just do it.
Hey, where's the fuse?
I don't know.
Damn it, Tom.
I don't think you got all of it off.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, we're looking for the fuse.
Whoa, we are in
Happy
business.
36 coming in.
Hey, Kim, quit counting. We're not in school.
Yeah, Kim. It's not. Summer isn't over yet. Oh, that did hit me. Oh, God. Ah, it burns. It's raining fire. Ah.
You
Grand
don't-
finale.
Tommy, you can get closer.
Oh, shit. But we gotta get back further. Whoa. Snapple. Crackle. Pop. Nice Krispies. Choo. Wow. That was great. That was beautiful. Oh.